So you've got this brand new Nutanix box sitting in front of you and you're thinking, okay, how do I get this thing up and running? Well, what if I told you it's really just 3 simple steps? Today, we're going to do a visual walkthrough of the official setup process. We'll use the diagrams straight from the manual to get you from a sealed box to a healthy, happy cluster. Let's jump right in. See? The whole thing really boils down to these 3 core stages. First, we'll unpack everything and just make sure all the pieces are there. Second, we'll get it all cabled up. And finally, the best part, powering it on and making sure our cluster is good to go. It's honestly that straightforward. All right, let's get our hands dirty with step 1, unpacking. This is all about doing a quick inventory before you even think about sliding this into the rack. Okay, this image right here, this is going to be your best friend for the next few minutes. It's the exploded view from the manual, and it's basically your visual checklist. You can use it to spot everything from the main chassis to the rails and the front bezel. Just remember, it's a sample, so your box might look a little different, but all the main components should be there. So as you're pulling things out of the box, just run down this list. You're looking for that main NX series block. That's where the nodes live, the docks, power cables, and of course the rack mounting rails. Now, if you ordered them, you should also see your SFP Plus cables and transceivers for those high-speed network connections. Seriously, just check them off as you go. It'll save you a headache later. Perfect. All the parts are accounted for, so we're ready for step 2, cabling. This is where we bring our hardware to life by connecting it to the network and, power. And this diagram is our roadmap for the whole cabling operation. It's figure 3 from the manual showing the back of a 4-node chassis. The most important part is that little zoomed-in section of a single node. That's where we'll be focused. You can see exactly where the network ports are, the management port, USB, everything. This is our guide for the next few connections. So what do we actually plug in? It's just 3 little things for each node. Number 1, connect that dedicated IPMI port, that's for management, and one of your high-speed data ports over to your network switch. Number 2, plug your own workstation into that same switch. And finally, number 3, plug in the power cords and hit that power button on each node. That's it. You're physically connected. Now hang on. This right here is probably the single most important detail in this entire guide. I want you to really read this. This is not a suggestion. It is an absolute requirement. Your network switch has to allow untagged traffic and IPv6 multicast. Why? Because that is how the nodes all find each other and your computer automatically when they first boot up. If you get this one thing right, you will avoid so much troubleshooting later on. Okay, we've unboxed it, we've racked it, we've cabled it, which means we are at the moment of truth. Step 3. Let's log in and see if we have a healthy cluster. And our destination is the Prism Home Dashboard. Think of this as your web-based command center for basically everything Nutanix. Once the nodes finish booting up, you'll be able to find them on your network and log right into this interface to see what's going on. And once you're logged into Prism, your very first job is super simple. Find the Health panel on the dashboard. And all you're looking for is a big, beautiful green heart. That green heart is the all-clear signal, telling you everything is working exactly as it should. The status system is really intuitive. It's basically a traffic light. Green heart means go. Your cluster is healthy. A yellow heart is a warning, something you should probably check out, but it's not on fire. And a red heart means stop. You've got a critical issue that you need to investigate right away. But hey, what if you log in and you don't see green? First off, don't panic. Prism is built to help you out. Just like this tip from the manual says, all you have to do is click on that heart icon or pick Health from the drop-down menu. That'll take you straight to a detailed screen that tells you exactly what's causing the issue, so you know just what you need to fix. And that's really it. In 3 visual steps, unpack, connect, and verify, we've taken a brand new piece of hardware out of the box and brought a powerful Nutanix cluster to life. So now that it's healthy, it's humming along, ready to go, the only real question is, what are you going to build first?